Beverly Hills has its mega mentions, but when it comes to sheer stratospheric cost, New York City really may have them beat.
By a whole lot. Sky-high prices on the Big Apple skyline. New towers are boasting record-setting prices, and ABC's Rebecca Jarvis takes us inside.
It's high-rise luxury where clouds and airplanes are your neighbors, and you'll literally feel on top of the world.
The very first time I looked at it, I just fell in love with it.
This software mogul purchased that penthouse for a cool $17 million.
East views are our favorite. You can see how the river kind of meets into the lake.
But he's not alone. High-rise real estate is booming. In Boston, this Millennium Tower penthouse is for sale at $37.5 million. And in New York, one of the largest real estate transactions ever. This penthouse of the new 157 building sold for a record-breaking $100 million.
Hello, this Noble.
That's where we met real estate broker Noble Black. Today, he's taking us inside 157, that record-setting apartment.
You've got really spectacular views, and you've got a great five-star hotel downstairs.
That building is 1,005 feet tall. The minute-long elevator ride opens to pure luxury around every corner.
All Calcutta marble. It's all handcrafted, and you're above most of the skyline.
And then there's the master bedroom.
Not a bad view to wake up to, huh?
Not bad at all. It's nice that there are shades.
If you want the privacy, although no one can see into your bedroom, right?
And these properties are going fast, which means they'll keep building higher and higher. For Good Morning America, Rebecca Jarvis, ABC News, New York.
Higher and higher until there's no more air left in the sky. You can catch Rebecca's full report on Nightline right after Jimmy Kimmel on Monday night. So that's what $100 million can get you in New York.
Nightline, one of my favorite shows, by the way. Everybody should watch.
Co-anchor, right?
Yes.
Little plug.
Little
Shameless
plug
plug
for
for
my
a
other
show.
job.
That's right.